In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on your Epic Games account. So we need to start by heading over to an internet browser, and from the address bar, type in epicgames.com and hit enter. From the top right hand side, click on sign in, and then you'll need to sign in with your Epic Games account. Once you're signed in, click on the support tab in the top navigation. Then you need to scroll down and from here select accounts. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list and press contact us. Now this is the only method that actually works when trying to change your age in Epic Games. So what we need to do here is just scroll down. From the drop down list, make sure you have accounts selected. In the contact reason, you need to select Epic account. And in this description box, we're just going to type something in along the lines of, I accidentally set the wrong age for my account. My actual date of birth is, and then enter your date of birth. Now what you may also want to do here is upload an image that actually proves the age that you're saying you are. So this could be something like a driving license or a passport. Now you don't have to include this, but it's likely they will ask you for proof. So as long as you are the age that you say you are, then you should be able to change this without any issues whatsoever. So once you've entered this, we're just going to scroll down and select submit an email request. You can also try starting a live chat as well, but I just find an email request usually works better. And once your request has been submitted, it will take 1 to 3 business days in order to hear a response. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you change your age in Epic Games. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.